I love teaching this class because every time I do, I find that the material just becomes so much more relevant and vivid in my own life. I think executive presence is important for a couple of reasons. The first one is that it really helps participants understand the power of intention. A lot of our students talk about the desire to be authentic, but the question is, authentic to what? A lot of people are authentic to their emotional response, and one of the things that we talk about in executive presence is that the thing that should center us at all times is our intended outcome in any situation. Sometimes our emotions will take us exactly there. Sometimes they'll take us in exactly the opposite direction. And so I think to bring that kind of intentionality to our interactions with other people is a really powerful concept. Before I started to teach executive presence, I surveyed the landscape of the executive presence courses that are out in the marketplace. And in fact, there are many. What I didn't see in other programs that I see in this is that this is founded on three very basic frameworks. A framework for executive presence, a framework for nonverbal communication, and a framework for message architecture. And I find that to be incredibly helpful because with those frameworks, I can continue to draw on them and I can continue to hook experiences into those frameworks. That's something that, quite honestly, I just haven't seen in other programs. So the question often comes up, who should take this class? And there's an assumption that, given the name of the course, Executive Presence, that it's for executives. And it's really, nothing could be further from the truth. This is really a course designed for anybody that's trying to better understand their interpersonal impact on other people, to understand what they're good at and also where their opportunities are for improvement. And I've seen executives, I've seen first level managers, I've seen 20-somethings get some phenomenal value out of this program. So I'd really suggest that anybody that really wants to increase their understanding of how they show up with other people and how they might increase their impact would certainly be a candidate for this program.